Most people will never become rich. Not because they are not smart, not because they are not hardworking, but because they think about money the wrong way. You see, rich people do not just have more money. They have a completely different mindset about it. And that mindset changes everything, from how they earn, to how they spend, to how they think about risk. And once you understand this difference, you can never unsee it. It changes how you look at money forever. Most people think money is something you earn and spend. Rich people think money is something you grow. That sounds simple, but it changes everything. The average person works for money. They trade time for income, hours for pay. If they stop working, the money stops coming. But rich people play a different game. They build systems that make money for them. Investments, businesses, assets. So even when they sleep, money is still working. Now this is where it changes. Most people focus on saving money. Rich people focus on multiplying money. Saving is important, but saving alone will not make you rich, because money loses value over time. Inflation eats it quietly. Rich people understand this. So instead of holding money, they put it to work. They invest in things that grow, businesses, real estate, skills that increase their earning power. But here's the truth. Rich people are not afraid of risk. They are afraid of staying the same. Most people avoid risk completely. They want safety, stability, certainty. But that safety often keeps them stuck. Rich people take calculated risks. They study, they learn, then they act. Because they know one big opportunity can change everything. Most people don't realize this. Income alone will not make you rich. You can earn a lot and still be broke. Because wealth is not about how much you make, it is about how much you keep and grow. Rich people focus on assets, not income. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. And most people confuse the two. They buy things that look rich, but actually keep them poor. Rich people do the opposite. They buy assets first, and let those assets pay for their lifestyle. Now think about this. Most people increase their spending when they earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation. Rich people increase their investments first. That is the real difference. Because over time, those investments grow, and eventually, they replace active income. At that point, work becomes optional. But here's something even deeper. Rich people think long-term. Most people think short-term. They want quick results, fast money, instant rewards. But wealth is built slowly, with patience, consistency, and discipline. Rich people are willing to wait, because they understand compound growth. Small actions repeated over time create massive results. And that is how real wealth is built. So if you want to think like the rich, start here. Stop thinking only about earning. Start thinking about building. Stop focusing only on saving. Start focusing on growing. Stop avoiding risk completely. Start learning how to manage it. Because in the end, the biggest difference is not money. It is mindset. And once you change how you think about money, you change how money flows into your life. If this changed how you see things, then you are already ahead of most people. Now take that knowledge and use it. Because understanding is just the beginning. Action is what changes everything.